In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up and get started with Zoho Books. Zoho Books is a powerful tool for managing your business finances, and getting set up is a straightforward process. Let's walk through it step by step. First, you'll need to visit the Zoho Books sign-up page. This is where you'll begin your journey to streamline your financial management. Once you're there, start by entering your company name. It's important to make sure you use the official name used for business registrations, as this will be used across all your documents within Zoho Books. Next, you'll need to type in your email address. Choose an email that you regularly check, as Zoho will use it to send you important updates and information about your account. After you've done that, type in a secure password. A strong password should have a combination of letters, numbers, and special characters to keep your account safe and secure from unauthorized access. Moving on, select your country location from the drop-down menu. This ensures that your financial transactions are tailored to your local regulations and currency. Afterward, you need to agree to the terms and conditions by checking the box. It's always a good idea to read these terms carefully, as they detail Zoho's commitments and your responsibilities. Once you've agreed, click the Create My Account button. Once your account is created, you'll be asked to enter your organization name. This should typically match your company name, but you have the flexibility to use a more internal-facing name if needed. Next, select the industry that best represents your business. This helps Zoho Books tailor its features and advice to better suit your needs. Now, choose your province or state. This is particularly crucial for tax calculations and compliance. Selecting the right currency for your transactions comes next, so make sure you pick the one that you primarily use for your business dealings. Following that, select your preferred language and time zone. These settings will customize your Zoho Books experience to better match your locale and working environment. Once you've completed these entries, click on the Get Started button. You're now officially set up with Zoho Books. At this point, you can choose to either explore the homepage on your own or select Show Me Around for a guided tour of the platform. This tour can be really helpful if you're unfamiliar with the layout and tools available within Zoho Books. After the tour, you'll want to acquaint yourself with the dashboard, where you'll manage and track your financial activities. Don't forget to explore the settings for any personalized adjustments you might need, and check out the additional Zoho apps available to complement your business's needs. Finally, ensure your notifications are customized so you're promptly informed of any important updates. And there you have it. You're now ready to leverage Zoho Books to its full potential for efficient and effective financial management.